The floating Seahorse is not actually located in the heart of Europe, but rather in Dubai, United Arab Emirates. The floating Seahorse is a unique and luxurious development that consists of 131 underwater villas, each featuring 3 levels, including a spectacular underwater floor. Residents have access to state-of-the-art technology, outdoor climate-controlled areas, and breathtaking views of the Arabian Sea. The floating Seahorse is a unique 3-level residential complex offering underwater living experiences. The villas are equipped with modern amenities and smart home features. Outdoor climate residents can enjoy the outdoors without experiencing Dubai's scorching heat. Connection to the complex is connected to Honeymoon Island by jetties, providing easy access to the island's amenities. The Summersun Boat seems to refer to a series of houseboats produced by Harbour Cottage Houseboats. These houseboats are catamaran style, meaning they have 2 hulls, which provides them with increased stability and space compared to traditional single-hull houseboats. Master bedroom with a king-size bed. Lower stateroom with a queen-size bed and Murphy wall bed in the living area. Spacious living area with a fireplace and a flat-screen TV. 2 full bathrooms with showers. Fully equipped kitchen with stainless steel appliances. Large deck with a hot tub and a barbecue grill. Upper deck with sundeck and panoramic views. These houseboats are perfect for a relaxing getaway on the water. They are ideal for families or groups of friends who want to enjoy the beauty of the outdoors and all the amenities of a home away from home. A crossover houseboat is a type of vessel that combines the features of a houseboat and a yacht, offering the best of both worlds for those who enjoy spending time on the water. They typically have a sleek and modern design, resembling a yacht more than a traditional houseboat. This makes them more aesthetically pleasing and potentially more maneuverable on the water. They are designed for use in various water bodies, including rivers, lakes, and protected saltwater environments. This gives owners more flexibility in terms of where they can take their vessel. They offer spacious and comfortable living quarters, similar to a houseboat, with amenities like bedrooms, bathrooms, a kitchen, and a living area. They are equipped with powerful engines that allow them to travel at higher speeds than traditional houseboats, making them more suitable for cruising and exploring. They often come equipped with additional features commonly found on yachts, such as flybridges, sun decks, hot tubs, and outdoor kitchens, enhancing the overall recreational experience. C310 Houseboat. The houseboat is a model produced by Bluefield Houseboats, a company specializing in building cabin houseboats, floating cabins, and floating holiday lets. The C310 offers an open-plan living and kitchen area, 1 or 2 bedrooms, and can sleep 2 to 4 people comfortably. It is designed for inland waterways and lakes and is known for its emphasis on quality and aesthetics. The open-plan design creates a spacious and airy feel, perfect for relaxing and socializing. The well-equipped kitchen allows you to prepare meals and enjoy them with your companions. The C310 features a well-appointed bathroom with essential amenities. The houseboat boasts spacious decking areas, perfect for sunbathing, enjoying the views, or having meals outdoors. Bluefield Houseboats offers various customization options to personalize your C310 houseboat and make it suit your specific needs and preferences. Surla Houseboats. The Houseboats is a Dutch company that specializes in the design and construction of sustainable and luxurious houseboats. They offer 3 different sized houseboats, each with the ability to be fully customized to the owner's taste. Surla Houseboats are designed to be as sustainable as possible. They are equipped with solar panels, a water purification system, and a bio-based sewage treatment system. The houseboats are built with high-quality materials and feature a modern and stylish design. They come fully equipped with all the amenities you need for a comfortable stay, including a kitchen, living area, bedrooms, and bathrooms. Surla Houseboats offers a high degree of customization, allowing you to create a houseboat that is perfect for your needs and preferences. You can choose from a variety of layouts, materials, and finishes. This is the shipyard located in Amsterdam, Netherlands. Here, the houseboats are designed and constructed. MX.4 Houseboat. The houseboat is a new model in the MX family designed and manufactured by Mote, a company known for building eco-friendly, premium-class vessels. It is the largest and newest model in the lineup and is specifically designed for those seeking a luxurious and sustainable houseboating experience. The MX.4 is built with a focus on sustainability. It is 100% electric, featuring a choice between an electric pod propulsion system or an electric inboard engine, ensuring quiet and emission-free operation. The MX.4 is equipped with the latest technology, including a touch-controlled system for controlling the lights, shutters, toilets, and other features. It also features a large-screen TV and other entertainment options. Additionally, the innovative modular superstructure and bespoke interior modules are designed for ease of service, maintenance, and restoration, minimizing waste. Overblue Catamarans. Overblue is a French company that specializes in designing and manufacturing motor cruise catamarans. They offer a range of models, from 15 to 22.5 meters in length, that are known for their spacious living areas, comfortable accommodations, and impressive performance. Due to their catamaran design, Overblue boats offer significantly more living space compared to monohull boats of similar length. This makes them ideal for families and groups who want to enjoy a comfortable and luxurious boating experience. Overblue boats come with well-appointed cabins that can comfortably sleep 4 to 12 guests, depending on the model. The catamaran design provides inherent stability and good handling characteristics, making them well-suited for both calm and rough waters. Overblue boats are equipped with powerful engines that allow them to cruise at speeds of over 20 knots, making them ideal for exploring different destinations. Dutchcat Houseboat. The Dutchcat is a Dutch company that designs and builds motor cruising catamarans, known for their economical nature, comfort, and reliability. While they don't offer traditional houseboats, their cabin cats offer similar living spaces and amenities, making them suitable for extended stays on the water. Their current model is the Dutchcat 12, a 12.55-meter enclosed hardtop yacht with 2 guest cabins and a draft of 0.80 meters. Due to its catamaran design, the Dutchcat 12 offers a spacious saloon area with ample natural light, perfect for relaxing and socializing. The boat features 2 well-appointed cabins that can comfortably sleep 4 guests. The catamaran design provides inherent stability and good handling characteristics, making it suitable for both calm and rough waters. This version is designed for quieter, more relaxed cruising and is equipped with electric motors or a hybrid propulsion system. ARKUP 75. The ARKUP 75 is not exactly a houseboat in the traditional sense. It's a luxurious, solar-powered, self-sustaining yacht villa designed for both cruising and off-grid living. Functions as a yacht when cruising the seas and can be raised on retractable stilts to become a stationary, off-grid villa when desired. Offers the best of both: exploration and a permanent living space on the water. Equipped with 2,400 square feet of solar panels, it generates enough clean energy to power all its systems, including air conditioning, appliances, and propulsion, minimizing reliance on shore power. Rainwater is collected from the roof and purified to ensure a constant supply of fresh water for onboard needs. Offers a total of 4,350 square feet, 404 square meters, of space, with 2,700 square feet, 251 square meters, dedicated to luxurious indoor living areas. Features 2 decks and 5 terraces, providing ample space for relaxation, entertaining, and enjoying the panoramic water views. Boasts a sleek and futuristic design with floor-to-ceiling windows for an uninterrupted connection with the surrounding environment. The focus on solar power and rainwater collection aligns with eco-conscious principles. Thank you so much for watching. So please subscribe the channel for more informative videos.